kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today, we are drawing a cute dinosaur. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy mouth. Next, draw the head. Now, let's draw the body. Add the hands and feet. And don't forget the cute little toes. Next, draw the tail and the spikes along its back. Great job! Finally, continue add some grass on the ground. Now, it's time to color. Color the body with green. Add orange for the spikes on the head and back. Use light yellow for the belly. You can also add a little darker green for shading to make it look more lively. Color the grass green, then continue the ground light brown. And done! Your cute dinosaur is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!